The Greater Hazleton Alliance of Christian Leaders is inviting the community to sign a letter that promotes peace and unity during these difficult times. Lisa Sugar talked with two of the organizers, Susan Selby, CEO of Emmanuel Christian School in Hazleton, and Pastor Mario Cordero from Mission Life Church.
The idea for this letter came about because another Christian school in New York City gathered together with, I think over 30 police chiefs in their whole county, and also 20, 30 or more pastors and Christian leaders came together, and they crafted a letter for their community to just explain that we're a community of peace and that they want to make progress on some of the issues of racism and division in their community. And so we had the idea that we could do the same kind of thing here.
When I started watching, all the news and all the stuff, like pastor, I say, okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? And all this that happen around our country. So when I hear about the letter, normally we are in touch with Pastor Ronnie and Susan. When I received the letter, I said, wow, that's great. I guess we need to pray. It's time. Because, when people come together and pray together, something beautiful things happens too. Because we proclaiming God. Amen. So that is how I say it's time. The body of Christ is not just one person. The body of Christ, we form many. So we are part of the body of Christ. I said to Pastor Brock, I say, hey, brother, come with me. I'll be there, because we need to stay together to do a good things too.
Are you confident that the community will come together and the country will come together? We'll all pray and we'll all get through these difficult times right now for the betterment of everyone.
When you pray, the Lord answer. When you pray, the Lord, He will do something. But the same thing, we need to be, like we told you, unity. Not thinking just to myself. We need to say, hey, we are everybody. We are part of the body of Christ. So that is how we need to still praying. And I was praying this morning, and I asking God about all this situation. And I will tell you something here, okay? Sometimes people only want to pray when the things happen. When something is wrong, okay, now you need to pray. No. You need to stay praying, continue. You need to pray every day. You need to have pray part of your life. Not just pray when you have problems. And sometimes, if you do remember when it was September 11, all people, oh, God bless America. God bless America. After that, they forgot. Now we have all the situation, oh, God bless America, God bless America. What happened? We need to stay praying. We need to stay working. We need to stay in relationship with God every moment, not just when the problems come.
Susan, where are you going from this now? You have the letter circulating. Do you plan to reach out to government leaders, or what is the next step with all of this?
Yeah, thank you for asking. So I think it's really important that our community remains intentional about having a dialogue about racial tensions and how we can grow in understanding of one another. And one of our pastors said, if the church can't be united, all the different churches and denominations, then how can we expect the community to be united? So one of our next steps is this alliance, Hazleton Alliance of Christian Leaders is growing, and we are going to continue meeting monthly now as a larger group. And we'll see where God leads the group, but we are going to be intentional about having conversations and learning how to reconcile our cultural differences and how to be the body of Christ together for the betterment of Hazleton.
Thank you, Lisa. You can find that letter at icshazelton.org.